Modern Canna is an ISO 17025 accredited cannabis testing laboratory, and we were the first lab, Florida lab, to be involved in the rule development for the cannabis industry in Florida, and we are also the first Florida laboratory to test medical marijuana. So we started testing in 2018 for water activity. This was before it was a requirement, but because we knew that it was eventually going to be a requirement, we decided to implement it in the lab, get it, so that we were used to that analysis. We knew what to expect, how to run it, and all that. It definitely is tested for every single final product because it's a regulation. In testing water activity, we've been able to not only satisfy state requirements, but it also allows us to comply with our third-party accreditors, or accrediting entities. I will say I haven't seen a ton of research and development requests for water activity, but it's often something that will be added later because it can indicate other things about a sample. So, for example, something that has an abnormally high water activity will also often tend to have a high moisture content, and if it's a high moisture content for that product, then you could have problems such as microbial growth. So it's definitely an important analysis. It's definitely one of the simplest analyses to run for us, which is great. And again, because it has implications on other results, it's a great way for us, say if we're able to run water activity on a sample that we got the day of, but we know that our other analyses, which take a lot longer, are not going to give us results yet, we can kind of know or make assumptions about what the results might look like, which is great. I mean, the cannabis industry in Florida is growing exponentially, and we are seeing that with the amount of samples we get. So, we had one or two running at a time, and now we have multiple instruments running every single day. There's never a day where we're not running water activity, and there's never a day where we're only running one instrument of water activity. Neutec is a great partner, I will say. We believe in building great relationships with our vendors, and that all starts with, customer service, and Neutec definitely provides great customer service for us, so that's awesome. Plus, the water activity meters are a great price, so we love that.